Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego bulldozer. So first, you take this piece, and then you take your little cauldron, stick that together, and then leave that there. And then you take these two pieces, that one and this one, stick that together. Then remember this. So you have to stick that on over there, and then right there. So you got that, which is already it's already about 4 pieces. And then you see this piece, stick it on there doesn't really matter which way, I just wanted you to put that there. And then you take this piece, and then also this other red piece, that makes a little, scooper bulldozer. Then you take the top of it, and yeah, that's how you get your 9-piece Lego bulldozer. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and yeah, thanks for watching.